Okay, so this, there's Megan, is the test of my little baby HD GoPro Hero. I have it in 720p mode right now, which is R2 on the camera. So sorry if I look like shit. Here's my little dog, Bouncer. Hi boy. He has a little bit of a agitated eye, so it's kind of small right now. It's kind of puffed up, but let's see. This is without the case. This is the sound and everything without the case. I think my finger's over the thing, but this is with the case on it right now. Still working. Yeah, it still works. There's condensation in it though. Yeah, just a little bit. Because it's a cold pool. Hate it, huh? Stay.